Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my session B2B Placement Pulse. Guys, in today's session, I'm going to take few different mock tests and I already covered all the previous year questions and we already covered topic wise questions also in my past videos. We already completed 15 videos on Accenture. If you watch my past videos, guys, you understand the approach and what are the different models you are expecting in our Accenture examination. So mock test means it is a replica of the questions for of your upcoming examination. So today is a mock test one. In future also I'm going to take more mock test for our upcoming examination. And follow us in the Telegram, search V2VBK. You can get my channel as Vision to Victory, and this is my Instagram page, guys. If you want the links are available in the description. Go through it. And if you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe and share this information with your friends who are preparing for the different examinations. Definitely, our content will help your preparation, guys. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and like our video too. If you like our video, it reaches to the maximum number of people. Okay, without any delay, let's start the session. Guys, try to solve this question and post your answers in the comment section. I will check your comments, guys. Try to answer these questions. So here 6, 18 is to 14 is represented. So it's all about analogy. There is a similar relations. You have to identify that and apply the same relation for 14. How 6 become a 18? If you understand the relation, apply the same relation for 14, then it become an answer. And you already know that 6 become a 8. 18 means 6 is multiplied with a 3, then it become a 18. But according to that information, can I go for 14 into 3, 42? But you can't see that option. But what is the logic here? So what pattern they follow for 6 become 18? Now see 6 into 3, here the relation means 6 is multiplied with the half of that number. Then half of that 6 is equal to 3. Then the resultant become 18. The same way, if 14 is multiplied with the half of the 14, half of the 14 means it's a 7. And you know that 7 into 14 is exactly equal to 90. Is it clear? Yes, very good, Nanavan. 98 is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question here. Select the correct alternative to indicate the arrangement of following words in logical and meaningful order. So what is the meaningful orders? Here they given five different informations. Ornaments, gold, goldsmiths, jewelry shop and bride. But you have to connect in a logical order. They given five different information. See, what is the logical order here? First is gold. Then it went to the goldsmith. And goldsmith makes an ornament. Ornament goes to the jewelry shop. Then finally it reaches to the bride. So if you go through the order here, 2, then goldsmith is 3. Now we have to move on to the ornament 1, then jewelry shop 4, and bride is 5. So logical sequence is 2 1 3 1 4 2 1 2 3 1 4 5 is the correct answer. That is the logical sequence. Is it clear? Yes, very good, Razi. Next. Find the relation here. 7, 16, 34. Identify the relation and one of the option is also related to the same relation. Now go through this. Guys, all the people who are in the live session, please like our video and share this information with your friends and WhatsApp groups also. So definitely they will get benefit from this video. So please like, share, and subscribe. So find the relation. Find the relation. What is the relation between 7, 16, and 34? If you observe the relation here, if 7 is multiplied by 2 plus 2, it becomes 16. In the same way, if 16 is multiplied by 2 plus 2, it becomes 34. Now, if you go through this option, 10 into 2 minus of 1. So, this is not follows our condition. So, 23, 31, it is not follows our condition. If you go through the 29 and 57, guys, it is also not follows our condition. And 49, 58, 76 is also not follows our condition. It means this is not a right pattern. Just change the pattern again. 7, 16, 34. So we are not get anything through multiplication, then find the difference. So it's a difference of 9 units, and 16 and 34, it is a difference of 18 units. Now go through the option here. You can see the difference of 9 units, but 19 and 28 difference of only 9 units. But according to the sequence, it should be a double. So it's a wrong. 23 and 31, here the difference is 8, and 31 and 48 difference is 17. It not follows our condition. 29 and 57, if you go through that, it's a difference of 28 units. Here the difference of 96 and 57 plus 3 is 60, 36. Then the total difference is 39. It is also not follows condition. So definitely 49, 58, 76 satisfy our condition, guys. Here the difference of 9 units, here the difference of 18 units is it exactly follows our condition. So D is the correct answer. Very good, Nana. Vinay, very good. Likita, Razi, very good, Nana. Move on to the next question. Now here the information says that if sign multiplication is interchanged with the division and number 3 is interchanged with 2, then which of the following equation would be the correct? Go through the option verification. Which of the equation could be a correct? See, you should replace multiplication with the division. 3 should be replaced with 2. Interchanged, guys, interchanged. Now see 2, so divisible by replaced with multiplication is 3 divided by 2 plus 3 minus of 2. If you go through the simplification, it is not at all equal to 1. So A is not a right answer. Let's check with the B. 2 divisible by 3 multiplied by 2 plus 3 minus of 2. Again, you will get the decimal. Let's go through that option. Why? Because see, 2 is divided by 3 means definitely you will get the decimal. Third one. 3 divided by 2 and multiplied by 2 plus 3, sorry, is multiplied by 3. 2 should be replaced by 3, 3 should be replaced by 2, and division should be multiplied plus as plus and minus as minus. Guys, 3 divided by 2 into 3 plus 3 minus 3 is not equal to 0. Let's check with the fourth option here. 3 divided by 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 3 plus 3 into 3. Again 3 divided by 2 minus 3 plus 3 is cancelled. Yes, let me check with the first one again. We are changing to into 3 divided by 2. Sorry, 2 into 3 divided by 2 plus 3 minus 2. 2 to cancel. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, 1 is not wrong. So 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 plus 3 minus 2 is equal to 3. 2 divided by 3 into 2. So definitely 2 is also wrong one. Let's check with the C. So 3 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2 into 3 plus 3 minus 2. You can see 3 divided by 2 into 3 plus 3 minus 2. Okay, last one. Let's check with the option D. Its multiplication is interchanged with division. 3 divided by 2 minus 3 plus 3 into 3. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel. 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5. Let me go through the simplification. I made a one mistake here. According to the Bodmer's rule, it is 1.5 minus 3 plus 9. It is not equal to 0. Let's go through that. So division is 1.5, guys. You have to go through the Bodmer's application, right? Sorry for this. Now 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. 1.5 is multiplied with a 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 minus of 2. Let me erase. Sorry for that. While go through the simplification, you must follow the Bodmer's rule. So interchange multiplication with the division, 3 with the 2. 2 is 2, 3 divided by 2. Guys, 2 should be a 3, right? Plus 3 minus 2. 3, 3 cancel. So 2 into 3 divided by 3, 3, 3 cancel. Then we have a value is equal to 3. So this is wrong. Let's check with option B once again. 2 divided by 3 into 3. So plus 3 minus 2. So 2 divided by 3 into 3. 2 divided by 3 and into 3. So just cancel. 2 plus 3 minus 2. 2 to cancel, then the value become 3. Guys, sorry, B is the correct answer. You should replace properly, guys. Multiplication should be replaced with a division and 3 should be replaced with a 2. Then only you will get with the perfect option. So B is the suitable answer. Please let me know in the comments. Are you clear about this? Try this question. See, my house faces south. He leaves from the back gate. Faces south, moving from the back gate means now the person is traveling towards north and walks 18 meters. 18 meters north. And he turns right side. Right side of north means east and cover 28 meters. Then again he turns east, right side. Right side of east is south and cover 35 meters. And he turns left side. Left side of south, no, no. Left side of south again east and cover 12 meters. He then turns left side. Left side of east is again north and covered 17 meters. In which direction and how many meters away from the original position? From here to here, how far and which direction from the starting point? And guys, yesterday I already completed distance and directions. There is a two approaches. Either you can draw the picture or you can go through the equation. If you go through that video, you can able to understand how I represent this equation. Guys, first of all, opposite direction. So 18, 17 and 35, guys. North and north, same direction. Remember that same direction is always be the positive. So 18 plus 17 is equal to 35 north. And 35 north, 35 south, both are opposite to each other. Opposite direction, find the difference. 35 and 35 difference is 0. And finally, we have it 2 east. Guys, same direction you have to add. So 28 plus 12 is equal to 40 and the direction goes for east. So answer 40 meters east is the correct answer. If you watch my yesterday's video, you understand this approach. Otherwise, you can draw the picture and identify the value. Anything is fine. Go through the diagrammatical approach or equation. Next, try this question. Now see what is the next letter. Here the letters is Z, X, V, T, R. Find the next one. Let me help you out with alphabetical position. 26th letter, 24th letter, 22nd letter, 20th letter, and 18th letter. If you observe that every time they are subtracted 2 units. So according to the sequence, we need 16th letter and 16th letter must be T. Very good. Elena Joy, very good. Very good. Next. Select the set of numbers that is similar to the following set of numbers. Guys, what is the logic for this question? 3, 5, 7. And there is a one relation there, and one of the option must be satisfy the same relation. Anyone? So what is the relation here between 3, 5, 7? Guys, if you observe that 3, 5, 7 is following prime numbers. They are belongs to the prime numbers. It is in the sequence. After 3, prime number is 5. After 5, prime number is 7. If you observe that 35 is not a prime number, 23, 29, 31 as a sequence in the prime number, 21 is not a prime number, and they are missing 17 here, that is not in the sequence. If you observe that, B is the suitable answer. B, Nana, it's not about difference, it's not about multiple. So it's all about the prime number sequence. 3, 5, 7. There is no prime number is left. So there is in the sequence, that sequence is follows in option B. Very good, Nana. Indra, very good. Razi, Alina. Nana, check your answers once again. It's all about prime concept. You guys tell me which one is completely different. Out of four, three follows the same rule, one is completely different. That is all about odd one. So which one is completely different? Find the odd one out of four. Elena, can you tell me what is your logic? And Aditya also. Both are choosing different options. What is the logic for this question? 14, 6, 7, 12, 21, 4, 41 and 2. Aditya said option D, Alina said A. What is your logic? even, multiples of 7, multiples of 2, multiples of 7, multiples of 2. Maybe it's not a perfect reason. Even, that's why, but option C and D, you can see the odd numbers, Elena. Aditya said maybe somewhat accepted multiples of 7 and multiples of 2, but D satisfy multiples of 2 condition. The option should not be satisfied both not multiples of 7 and multiples of 2. Guys, if you go through the product, 6 is multiplied with a 14 is exactly equal to 84, right? 7 into 12, product value is 84. 21 into 4 is 84. 41 into 2 is equal to 82. If you observe the product, except option D, resultant is 84. That's why I can choose D is not a suitable. Are you agree with my logic? Are you clear? Please let me know. Is it clear, guys? Guys, understand the approach here. You should learn this one. Okay, you can expect these kind of models also. That's why while watching whatever the different videos in different YouTube channel, you have to learn approach only. Questions may not be repeated, but approach, the way you understand that information, the way you are converting those numbers into the result, you should learn those things. Then you can able to solve any questions in your further examination. Very good, Narsha. Thank you. Yes, move on to the next question. So here we have a comparison. Southeast becomes north. Southeast becomes north. Northeast becomes west. If we follow the same thing, how southwest becomes dash. And let me repeat the directions also. Guys, go and watch my yesterday's video. Understand the entire concept of direction and distance. Remember that this is the important reference. Right side arrow always east. Opposite of east is west. If arrow is moving up, it become a north. Downside south. Between northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Now here the reference. If the references they are talking about, southeast become north, guys. How southeast become a north? So it will be moving 135 degrees anti-clockwise direction. It was moving anti-clockwise direction. Same way northeast become west. Northeast become a west. Again it is moving 135 degrees anti-clockwise. Now just change southwest into the 135 degrees anti-clockwise. According to that pattern, southwest is always follows as east. So answer east. Very good. Raichu. Very good. C is the correct answer. Again, question from the mirror image concept. Guys, one important point. Out of 26 alphabets, 11 alphabets which are similar in mirror. You can't see this change in the shape. You can see the exact shape, mirror and horizontal. So remember that number. Maybe you can expect that question. How many alphabeticals which are same in the mirror? Correct answer is 11. Now see, if you go through the mirror image concept, guys, always mirror represents first become a last, last become a first. Remember that point. See, if you see B in the mirror, it reflects in the last and it is inverted shape. Inverted shape. So if you observe that, yes, B, and you can see the K. Now how phi look like? That is important. If you change it into the mirror, it will be look in this way, guys. It will be look in this way. If you observe that, you can eliminate B. Why? Because phi should be represented with the same shape. Again, there is a no change in the O. Let's start with the R here. Go through the option verification. That is better approach. R will be reflect in this way. R will be reflect in this way. So you can eliminate option A. So you cannot eliminate C and D with the help of R and P and 9. So guys, if you observe this option C and D, Did you find any difference in the question? I think so. Both options are same except K. Guys, K should be in a reverse order. K should not be a same. K should be a reverse order. So option C is the correct answer. Go through the option verification. That is my suggestion. Letter by letter, if you compare the all options, you can able to choose your option within the time limit. Let's go through this question. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and like our videos and share this information with maximum number of people. That's the support I am expecting from you. Share, like, and subscribe. Now see in this information, which of the two signs should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? Let's use the option verification. This is 14 and plus should be interchanged with the division and division should be interchanged with plus minus of 18 into 2. Is it 25? If 14 is divided by 4, so you will get the decimal value. So A is not a suitable answer. Let's check with option B. 14 plus should be interchanged with multiplication divided by 5 minus 8 multiplication with plus. If you go through the simplification again, see you will get the decimal. Why? Because 14 into 4 is exactly equal to 56 is divided by 5. Again, you will get decimal value. So definitely B is also not a suitable answer. Let's check with the C. 14 plus 4 divided by 5. And guys, if you see the divided by 5, you can't change anything. Still you will get the decimal. The final option D. 14 plus 4 is multiplied with a 5 minus of 18 divided by 2. So 2 exactly 9 times. So 4 into 5 is 20 and just subtract the 9 units. 14 minus of 9. See the difference of 5 units. 5 plus 20 is equal to 25. Yes, if you interchange both division and multiplication, then the left and right hand side values are same. So D is the suitable answer. So these kind of questions you have to go through the option verification. Acha, it's not C. See, you should go through this data. Nana. 4 divided by 5, it leaves 0.8, right? So decimal. So in other side, there is a no decimal in the calculation. So definitely it is not. Nikita, very good. Razi, very good. Harsha, very good. Nana. Very good, Harsha. Let's move on to the next question. Find the odd one out. Which one is completely different? Let me know in the comment section what is your logic to pick odd number. See, after this live session, I will update this PDF in my Telegram channel. Search V2VBK. You can get my Telegram channel Vision to Victory and join in that channel and download this PDF for your future references. And I will update your off-campus information also, all the job notification information through Instagram and Telegram. And this is my Insta page, guys. Vision to Victory. You can search. You will get my Insta page also. So which one is completely different? Odd one out. Why it is 60? Look at the reason why 60 is odd one out. Razi also said 60. Reason? Except 60, remaining three numbers are multiples of 13. The 13 multiples. Except 16 and 130, 52, 78, all those numbers you will get in 13 table. That's why except 60, remaining all the numbers you can see in 13 multiples. Very good, Nana. Very good reason. Very good. Next, try this question. In a certain code language, Anne is 14, cat is 60. How big is coded as? Anne 14, cat 60, big. So post your logic in the comment section, guys. Saichan logic for 70. See, Anne is coded as 14. And you know that alphabetical position of A is 1, N is 14. If you multiply, you will get 14. Let's go through the cat here. 3, 1, 20. If you multiply all the alphabetical position, then you will get 60. Let's go through that B, E, G. B2, E5, G7. 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 7 is 70. 70 is the correct answer. Very good, Nana Saichan. Good approach. Next. Guys, you have to focus more on verbal and coding also. Don't depend on only logical reasoning. Our videos are sufficient for your logical reasoning section. Definitely, you can attempt all the 35 questions if you watch my all videos related to the Accenture. But you have to practice more verbal part and coding. Go through the different YouTube channel. Most of the means faculty members or trainers are posted their content in different channels. Go and watch it and learn and grab your opportunity. And work hard and don't lose your opportunity, guys. Accenture is very good opportunity for your beginning of a career, beginning career. So my suggestion, work hard for next couple of days until your exam is finished. So please practice more number of questions, watch videos from the different YouTube channels. See, channel is not a matter, guys. You have to acquire the knowledge from different people. So all the content is available. Aptitude means reasoning section is available. And if you are interested, you can watch my videos or you can go for other channels also. Same verbal part, content is available, and different faculty members are posted their content. Same way, coding and practice all the things. Grab the opportunity and use all the resources in a proper way. That is my suggestion. As an elder, I'm just suggesting these things. Use the resources, whatever the resources are available. Let's see that here. So 1, 4, 4, 16, 64 dash. Guys, 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 4 into 16 is 64. Finally, if 16 is multiplied with a 64, then it become an answer. Now 16 into 4 is exactly equal to 16. 4s are 64. Again 6 is carry over. 16 into 6 is 96. 96 plus 6 is equal to 102. So answer 1020. 1024 is the correct answer. Next one. Again, analogy related question. Reform is code means represented as MROFER. How action is represented? Guys, I told you in my last session also, if you see the same letters which are repeated in other side, they are follow jumbled order. If you see completely different letters, they followed sequence order. So check with the sequence, series method or jumbled method. Two methods. If you see the same letters in other side, how it jumbled, you have to identify that. If you see completely different letters, definitely it is in the series order. Identify that which series they are. It follows. Now observe guys, here M is shifted first position, R next position, O here, F here, E here, and R here. According to the action, first letter is N, O, I, T, C, A. So N, O, I, T, C, A. So option A is the correct answer. Very good. Next. Same question from the mirror image concept. Very good, Nana. Sai Chan, Vijaya. Keep going. If you observe here, this is exactly extreme northwest corner. In any mirror, northwest become northeast. Guys, in directions, remember that east is always become west, north is always become a north, south is always become south. But east become a west, west become a east. If you check with the corners, northeast become northwest, southeast become southwest. If you observe that these two lines should be projected towards northeast, eliminate option C. Let's check this curve. So the curve is pointing towards east, it must be west. Yes, eliminate D. So either it can be A or B. Let's check the arrow. Arrow is pointing towards east. So definitely if you see in the mirror, it become a west. But here left become a right position. Left become a right position means eliminate A. Suitable answer is B. Any diagram related questions like non-verbal section, go through the option verification. You will get that answer. If you go draw the picture, definitely it wastes your time, guys. Go through the option verification and eliminate the remaining. Next, find out the note. Let's check with the sequence here. L is 12th letter, 14th letter, 16th letter, 18th letter, 20th letters. The sequence of difference of two units. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. It follows same rule. 8, 10, 13, guys. It breaks the condition. Why? Because J is 10th letter, M is 13th letter. But according to the sequence, it's only plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. That's why 3 is completely different than remaining. So C is the not answer. Next. Guys, this is for you. Try to understand the relation between mammal and bear and go through the options and post your answer in the comment section after this session. In every session, I just leave one question for you. Try to solve it and post your answer in the comment section after the session, after the class. Next, try this one. In a certain code language, EMBEZZLE is coded as MEEBZZEL. Then how maximize is coded as? How maximize is coded as? Find the answer. Guys, if you observe that every pair of letters they interchange their position. Interchange, interchange, interchange. If you interchange, then it starts from A, second letter is M. So option A eliminated. Next one IX. IX. Option C is eliminated. IX, IX. Next one IM, IM. And the last letter must be, guys, maximize. Last letter must be Z. So eliminate D. B is the suitable answer. Next. Last question for today's session. So, what is the relation between doctor and hospital? According to that relation, if you identify that, which of the suitable answer is the correct answer? Which of the suitable out of four options? Which one is related to our question? Doctor and hospital. Supervisor, officer, teacher, school, museum, visitor, governor, president. Fruit, mango. So here the relation, guys. Doctor works in hospital. That is the relation you should identify. Doctor works in hospital. So what is the suitable relation? Supervisor, officer. So supervisor, officer is they are talking about persons. They are not talking about person and place. Teacher definitely works in the school. Yes, it suits our answer. Museum visitor, visitor is not living in the museum, so C is eliminated. And again, governor and president both are different people. That's why here the relation for doctor and hospital is teacher and school. Doctor works in hospital, teacher works from school. Guys, try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. I will check your comments. Now here the question. Select the figure in which when figure is embedded. Guys, embedded is all about hidden figure. So where you can see these respective shapes out of all the four options. Yes, Razi, good evening. Babar, good evening. So try to solve this question, guys. Where you can see these respective shape out of these four options. So embedded is all about hidden figure. So this information is hidden one of the option. So which one is the correct answer? Guys, for a visual reasoning part, you have to maintain that accuracy. Visual reasoning means it's all about the pictures. You can expect minimum 4 to 5 different questions from the visual reasoning. I'm waiting for your response, guys. Where you can see this particular information, particular picture out of these four options. Yes, A, Razi said A power. Very good, Nana. You can able to see that picture. I will show you the shape here. This is the shape where you can see in option number A. So A is the suitable answer. Hope it's clear? Very good. Let's try this question. We are replacing with the different symbols here. Plus means division, minus means plus, multiplication means minus, division means multiplication. Then what will be the value of following expression? So here 18 is divisible by 6 minus of 27 plus 3 is multiplied by 12. Now replace with division. So just observe here division means multiplication into 6. Minus, guys, if you observe that minus here, minus means you have to replace with plus 27. And plus means a plus is divisible by 3 and is a multiplication says that minus of 12. Go through the expression here, it is exactly 9 times. So 6 into 8 in 6 10 60, 8 6 are 48, then the total value is 108 plus 9 minus of 12. Finally, 108 minus of 3, here the result can become 105. Is the correct answer. Very good. Is it clear? Guys, while you go through the any simplification, you should follow the board must rule. Let's go through the next one. See which number you can see after 57. Find the missing number. Means find the number which is continue that series. Here the numbers 3, 7, 16, 32, 57. Find the next number in this series. Find the next number. So here the difference between 3 and 7, 4 units. 7 and 16, 9 units. Here the difference between 16 and 32 is 16. And the difference between these two numbers is 25. If you observe that, all the difference of numbers is a perfect square. See here the next perfect square number is 36. If 36 is added to the 57, then the answer become 93. 93 is the correct answer. Clear? Yes, very good. 93 is the correct answer. Try to solve this question. Guys, select the figure that will come next in the following series. Guys, if you observe that in these three boxes, you can see the repetition. So same objects which are repeated in the another one. So if you observe the sequence, so which one should be replaced in that question mark out of these four options? Observe the picture. See, if you observe that in 1 to 2, these two objects are interchanged. These two objects are interchanged and remaining positions are same. So there is a no change in row 2 and row 3. So row 1 interchange these one. If you observe that here again, so after replacing here from here to here, observe the sequence. Again constant, constant. Now they are interchanging these two and remaining row 3 is constant. If you observe the next one, circle constant, square constant, plus constant, multiplication constant, you have to interchange these elements. Here the star and the triangle. So if you observe the option C, circle, and the next we need plus. So suitable answer is C. Ankit, Chinna. It's not B or C, it's a C. None. Observe the sequence. Every time. So row 1 is constant with the first sequence. Again, row R1 is constant, R2 is interchanged. Then finally you have to change the R3. And you have to continue the remaining one. Very good. Next. Try this question. Next. Very good. On to the next one. Find the next three letters after JPR. So here the element to element here B, second letter, fourth letter, sixth letter, eighth letter, 10th letter. So we require 12th letter. 12th letter must be L. Eliminate A. Now again fourth letter, seventh letter, 10th letter, 13, 16. We required 19th letter. So 19th letter you already know that S. So we required LS. So again C is also eliminated. Z. So 26th letter, X24, V22nd, T20, R18. So we required 16th letter. 16th letter must be P. So answer LSP is the correct answer. Yes, very good. LSP is the suitable. Next. Observe this question. Try to answer this question. See, in a certain code language, operation is written as DWDATXPBJ and parent is written as WTADJX. Then how will orient will be written in that code? So according to the same code language, how you can represent orient? Guys, if you observe the sequence, it is a 15th letter and D is 4th letter, so there is a no proper sequence here. If there is a no proper sequence between the words, then my suggestion identify the respective words first of all. Here the parent, here the operation. So just check it out whether any of those letters which are repeated. Guys, if any word letter is repeated, definitely code language is also repeated, right? Let's check with the P. So here the first position, here the second position. Here they are coded with a W, here also coded with a W. Then you can conclude it. So for example, you can go with one more comparison. Let's take with the N, it is represented with J. Here N is represented with a J. Then you can conclude it, guys. Directly you can consider letter to letter as a code language. Letter to letter means O is coded as D, P is coded as W, E is coded as D. So you can directly consider position to position as code language. Now just check with the orient. So orient means O is coded with a D. So O is coded with a D. Let me check with options here. Next one R. So here the third position is A. Guys, this is not D. So something mistake here. Mistake. See, this is all about D. Next one C. R here. Next one I. So what about the I? So if you check with the I here, so the last third letter is P. P. So here P A P. So if you check with the options, B is the suitable answer. So directly consider letter to letter as code language. And most of the students they are trying to find the sequence, but you never get the proper sequence, guys. So it's here the you will get that option, and the B is the correct answer. Basically, it's not D, it's a B. It's a print mistake. Next, select the answer figure which is embedded in the given picture. So which one is embedded here? Where you can see the shape. One of the shape you can see in this picture. So which shape you will get? Perfect shape. Now, if you observe that most of the students they thought that like option. So maybe they thought that there is a first option, but guys, there is a no connection between these two vertices, right? That's why A is not a suitable answer. Most of the student. So A is not at all suitable. Why? Because see, you can see the joint here. See, if you go through this particular V shape or particular V shape, so you can see that two vertices are meet here. But this information it is not joined. That's why A is not a suitable answer. If you go through the last option, guys. If you go through the last option, so you never get this particular T shape. If you go through that B, you never get these inclined and cutting shape. So here the suitable answer is C. Let me show you where you can get that shape. This is the shape where you can get. Hope it's clear. Is it clear, guys? So here the suitable answer is C. Very good, Anubhav. So Vienna, Europe, and New Zealand. So what is the relation among these three names? Vienna, Europe, and New Zealand. So what is the relation among these three elements? Elements or names or country or continent, anything is fine. But you have to identify the relation. Now you already know that, guys. Vienna is a part of Europe and New Zealand is completely different country. That's why here the relation is B. See, inside the circle is all about Vienna, and this circle is represented Europe. Why? Because Vienna is a part of Europe and New Zealand. There is no connection between New Zealand, Europe, and Vienna. That's why we have to take the other circle. So here the suitable answer is B. Are you clear with this relation? Next. Now here, a circular piece of paper is folded at cut shown as below. How it will appear when unfolded. So paper cutting and paper folding concept. Once it is open, how it reflects the entire paper. Guys, it's all about reflection, guys. Mirror and border images. If you are good at that, definitely you can able to solve these kind of questions. Let me show you guys first. So this is the final folding. The final folding. Once it is open, you will get the circle, guys. So once it is open, you will get the circle means this part we are completed. Now you have to open towards right side. If it is a towards right side, definitely you will get another circle. Again, you have to open bottom, guys. If you open, you will get the projections like this circle is projected here and this circle is projected here. So you will get four circles nearer to this particular center. That's why suitable answer is C. Very good, Aditya, Power, Rasi, super. Next. So select the figure that will come next in the following figure sequence. It's all about series based questions. Guys, don't forget to like our video. If you like our video, it reaches to the maximum number of people. And once again, thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers. So definitely, I will come up with more content for your upcoming examination. Guys, if you want this PDF, you can download from my Telegram channel after this live session. Search V2VVK. You can get my channel name, Vision to Victory. So download this PDF and practice once again. Definitely, you can able to solve any questions in your future exams. And this is my Insta ID also. So follow us in both Instagram and Telegram, guys. Now see, just stick with the sequence here. Circle and we have a line. If you go through that sequence here, there is a one line inside. Again from here to here, there is a one line is outside. See, this is outside, inside, outside. Definitely we require inside. So this is already extension figure. This picture you should reflect here, but you have to go with one more extension inside. So that's why suitable answer is C. C. Inside outside, so that will continue. So definitely in the new picture we have to add that line inside that circle, not outside that circle. You have to replace with inside that circle. Next, try this question. Now see, in a certain code language, candle is written as D1OEM2, modern is written as N4E2SO. How will beware? So beware is written in the same code language. Candle D1OEM2. Same way modern MODERN. So here N4E2S. Guys, if you observe the sequence here, C plus 1, A is coded as 1, N plus 1, D plus 1, L plus 1, E is coded 2. The same way, M plus 1, D plus 1, R plus 1, and N plus 1. So if you go through that, beware, BEWARE. So here B plus 1, C and E. If you observe that in the given comparison, E must be coded with a 2. So W. So W next letter is X. So C2X we required in the option. So we have two options available. Now here A is represented with a 1. So B eliminated. Suitable answer is D. Suitable answer D, guys. Is it clear? Are you clear with this approach? Let's see this question from the syllogism topic, logical deduction. And please share this information with your WhatsApp groups also. And share to the maximum number of people. Definitely they will get benefit from our videos, guys. So let's see here. All roads are vehicles. Some vehicles are trees. Conclusion. Some trees are roads. Guys, if you observe that there is a no direct relation in these two circles. If there is a no direct relation means you never get sum and all relations, guys. So if you want all comma sum, remember this point. If you want any these two conclusions, we required overlappings. We required overlappings in the picture. Otherwise, you never get any relations. All vehicles are trees, guys. All vehicles are trees, so you can see the some relation. Some trees are vehicles, some vehicles are trees, but all vehicles are trees is invalid conclusion. So your answer is neither. See, some is all about minimum overlapping, all is all about entire overlapping. Again, mothers, doctors, homo sapiens. Homo sapiens is, you already know that they are talking about the humans. But how you can connect these three elements in this particular picture? See, understand this picture. See, there is a relation between two informations, and two informations is belongs to the overall data. So that is the meaning of this circle. And there is a no relation between the three elements. So one element is a part of another element is a part of other element. And see, there is a some overlapping between these three. There is a no overlapping between last and first. For example, mothers, doctors. See, some mothers are doctors, some doctors are mothers. So don't conclude that all mothers are doctors, all doctors are mothers is invalid. But both are part of Homo sapiens. If you observe that, A is the suitable answer. Let me help you out with this option. For example, let's take that Vishakhapattanam. Vishakhapattanam. Next one, India, Asia. So this is the best suitable option, guys. Why? Because Vishakhapatnam is a part of India. Vishakhapatnam, India is part of Asia. Then the suitable answer is C. Let's check with this one. Boys, girls, and cricketers. Then how you can connect? This is the cricketers. This is the cricketers, and some of the cricketers are boys, some of the cricketers are girls. So you can include that information in the respective picture. That's why see, some mothers are doctors, some daughters are mothers, then all are belongs to the Homo sapiens. That's why here the suitable answer is A. Hope it's clear. This is all about logical Venn diagram concept. Logical Venn diagram concept. Next, find the relation here. Insert gases, chlorine and helium. What is the relation among these three elements? Very good, Anand. We can see the relation between insert gases and helium. There is no relation between chlorine to insert gases and chlorine to helium. Now, what is the best suitable option? Helium. Helium, entire helium is a insert gas, and chlorine and remaining two objects there is no relation. So that's the suitable answer is A. A is the suitable answer, Nana. Very good, Nana. Lakshmi Sai Ashrita. Very good. Priya Vijaycham. Nana, just look into that information once again. See that meaning. So there is a relation between those three elements. You have to identify from the pictures. So statements are not given. See, choose the Venn diagram in the given option. Best relationship among the following classes. So identify the relations. There is a relation between the insert gases and chlorine. So there is no relation between insert gases and chlorine, and there is a relation between insert gases and helium. So how you can conclude that, sir, entire helium is a part of insert gases, and chlorine there is no relation between insert gases and helium. That's why we can conclude it. Picture A. On to the next one. Analogy. See, analogy is all about similarity. Analogy is all about similarity. C F Z H I U. Identify the similarity and apply the same similarity for this one. How you will get JLS? Now see, you know that here the difference between C and H is plus 5. F2I plus 3. Z2U, again you have to subtract Z2U, right? So it's a 26th letter, this is 21st letter, then you have to subtract minus 5. Let's use the same relation. If you add plus 5, it becomes J. So J minus 5 means we need fifth letter. Fifth letter must be E. Again plus 3. So 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Then consider I. So S is the 19th letter. If you subtracted 5 units from 19th letter means we have to consider 24th letter. So your answer is EIX is the correct answer. The similarity is all about apply the same relation here. So which number in the given series is incorrect? Incorrect means they are talking about odd one out. So here the numbers 11, 30, 67, 120, 290, 346. See, you can able to see these numbers. See 3 cube plus 3. This is all about 2 cube plus 3. This is 4 cube plus 3. This is 5 cube plus 3. If you go through that, 5 cube plus 3 is not 120. So instead of 120, it should be replaced with 123. That's why here the wrong number among all the numbers is 120. See, this is all about 6 cube plus 3 and this is 7 cube plus 3. Very good, Nandras. Next, guys, try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. See, 3 of the following 4 are like in a certain way. One is different. Find the odd one. After this session, post your answer in the comment section. Next question. Ocean is related to the water. Desert is related to. So relation here apply same relation. Now see here, ocean is related to the water, desert is related to the sand. That's the relation. See, water, means if used water is available, so then we can call it as a ocean. If used sand is available, then we can call it as desert. That's it. That's the relation. Try to solve this question. Find the answer here. Now see, if you observe that relation from picture 1 to picture 3. See, this curve is located in the same direction. It's all about northwest, and the dot is available in southwest. Same way, if you compare here, the dot is always available in southwest and curve is always available in southeast. If you observe that A eliminated, B eliminated, D eliminated. Suitable answer is C. That's enough. See, location of this curve arrow and the dot. So that is similar in first and three. So apply the same relation for 2 and 4, you will get that answer. Next. So find the different one. Definitely, Nana, I will try. But I'm not good at the verbal part. So I'm very good at both quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. But definitely, I will take your query. That means concern. So definitely, we will come up with the verbal content also. Thank you so much for your support. See, find the relation here 93, 117, 63, 81, 133, 171, and 119 and 153. See, 93, 117, why it is odd one out? Razi, I need your explanation on the comment section. Why you are choose 193 and 117? Reason behind this. Guys, 93, 63, 133, 119. Here the other side numbers 170, 81, 171, 153. 81, 171 and 153 all are divisible by 9, but 117, so 117 is also divisible by 9, right? Give me a second, give me a second. See, it is all also divisible by 9. Here it is divisible by 9, so it is also divisible by not 9. Okay, these side numbers is all divisible by 9. See, 117, see, divisible by 9 property says that 93 is not a prime number, right? 60, 130, see, 93 is also not a prime number. No, no. 93 is a composite number. See, 117 is divisible by 9, 81 is divisible by 9, 171 is also divisible by 9, 153 is also divisible by 9. If we check here, here 717, 17s, it is divisible by 7. So here 717, it is also divisible by 7. It is also divisible by 7, but 93 is not divisible by 7. See, here right, left side values are all, except 93, all are divisible by 7. Right side numbers all are divisible by 9, guys. So 13 into 7, 13 into 9. Yes, very good. That's why 93, 117 is not a correct numbers. 93 is also like odd one. 13 into 7, 13 into 9. Very good. See, all these numbers are divisible by 7, Nana. It is all divisible by 9. But 93 is not divisible by 7. That's why that is odd one. Guys, if you want this PDF, you can download from my Telegram channel. Search B2B VK. You can get my channel Visit to Victory. Download this material. Practice once again. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us through either Telegram or Instagram. We always ready for you, always there for you to solve your queries. So that's it from today's session. We will come up with one more mock testing next session. Until the next session, guys. Have a nice day. Good night.